Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a flash transitions in CapCut to give your videos that cool, energetic look. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and select your project or tap a plus new project. Then here, add at least 2 video clips into your timeline. Now tap a small white box icon between the 2 clips. This is where the transitions go. Then here, scroll through the transition options and look for a flash, white flash, or camera flash. Then tap on it to preview. Then use the slider to adjust the transition duration. And after that, tap a check mark to apply it. You can also add the same flash transition between multiple clips for more dynamic effect. And that's how you add a flash transition in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching!